Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. In this vlog you guys can see I'm at HomeSense. This is all Easter decoration, very beautiful. I thought I can share with you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog.
Mom, hurry! Faster! Hey, Brittany, hurry up! I want to make a snow.
You want to make a little one?
My hands are cold. Mommy, can you tell Daddy?
Hasha, look at me.
Mommy!
Oh, don't. Stop doing that, please. Where's Asher? Are you cold?
Mom, got finished. I want to go play.
You want to go play where?
In the snow.
Where? There's not a lot of snow.
Mommy, I want to play with snow. But it's not what. Look, Mommy, there's lots of snow over there.
It looks like, but if you go closer, it's the same. It's not a lot of snow.
Please can I go there, Mom? Down with snow.
Are you cold? Cold, Chila? Oh. You didn't bring your gloves?
Yeah.
It's okay.
No, but I have them in the car.
Yeah. It's my sweethearts, Maka John, Ibrahim John, and Asher John having donuts, and they're enjoying their life. Such a beautiful day. We came to Lakeshore. It's so beautiful. And look at these water waves. I really like it and I'm enjoying. My goodness, so beautiful. I wish you guys could see. How beautiful is this place? Wait, wait. Stay malam namin.
You have to put it on pro.
I want to use the make it